Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Lyca mobile not registered on the network. So if your Lyca mobile SIM is showing not registered on the network, don't panic. This is a very common issue and in most of the cases, it's very easy to fix. So the quickest fix is forcing your phone to reconnect to the network. For that, you just have to swipe down your notification bar. Then you just have to turn on the airplane mode, wait for 10 seconds and then turn it back off. So this particular step alone is going to refresh your network regeneration instantly. Now in the second method, you just have to restart your phone. If your error remains, simply restart your device completely. After pressing the power button, you will see the power off option and the restart option. So between these two options, you just have to press the restart option, and this is going to basically also help you to reconnect with the network. Now you can manually try to basically check the mobile network settings. For that, you just have to open the settings of your device. In your settings, the second option would be of the mobile networks. When you are inside the mobile network option, you just have to basically look for the automatic network selection. So if it is manually selected a network list, choose the strongest available support network. So as you can see, currently I have 5G. The automatic selection sometimes fails, so you can manually select the network. Now you can try reinserting the SIM card as well. For that, simply power off your phone, then remove the Lyca SIM carefully and wait for a few seconds, then reinsert it securely. So the loose SIM contact frequently causes the registration failure. So you can try this method as well. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.